Daily Dawn Vocabulary. With Urdu meanings. December 22, 2022. For more upcoming videos, subscribe now our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. 1. Abysmal, adjective.
नाकाबिल पैमाइश, गहरा, बेपना गहराई.
Extremely bad, appalling. Example, the quality of her work is abysmal.
दोग consigned, सुपुर्द करना.
To send something to someone. Synonyms, assign, relegate. 3. Patronage, noun.
ताइद, हिमायत.
The support given by a patron. Example, the arts could no longer depend on private patronage. 4. Bemoan, verb.
अफसोस करना, नौहा करना, मातम करना.
Express discontent or sorrow over something. Example, it was no use bemoaning her lot. 5. Abject, adjective.
काबिल नफरत, घटिया, पस्त.
Of something bad, experienced or present to the maximum degree. Example, his letter plunged her into abject misery. 6. Plethora, noun.
फरावानी, बुहतात, शिद्दत.
A large or excessive amount of something. Example, a plethora of committees and subcommittees.
7. perplexed, मुस्तरिब, परेशान हैरान, घबराया हुआ होना.
Completely baffled, very puzzled. 8. Predicament, noun.
बुरी हालत, खतरनाक सूरत हाल.
A difficult, unpleasant, or embarrassing situation. Example, the club's financial predicament. 9. Perennial, adjective.
दायमी, सदरवा, 3 या 4 मौसमों में बाकी रहने वाला पौधा.
Lasting or existing for a long or apparently infinite time, enduring or continually recurring. Example, his perennial distrust of the media. 10. Pronouncement, noun.
रस्मी ऐलान, राय, बयान.
A formal or authoritative announcement or declaration. Example, distrust of the pronouncements of politicians was endemic. 11. Penchant, noun.
रग़बत, रुझान, पसंद.
A strong or habitual liking for something or tendency to do something. Example, he has a penchant for adopting stray dogs.
Catastrophe, noun. आफत, अलमिया, सानिहा.
An event causing great and usually sudden damage or suffering, a disaster. Example, an environmental catastrophe. 12. Paucity, noun.
कमी, किल्लत.
The presence of something in only small or insufficient quantities or amounts. Example, a paucity of information. 13. Endowment, noun.
चंदा, सरमाया वक्फ, बंदोबस्ती.
The action of endowing something or someone. Example, he tried to promote the endowment of a chair of psychiatry. 14. Optimistic, adjective.
उम्मीद परस्ताना, खुश उम्मीदाना.
Hopeful and confident about the future. Example, the optimistic mood of the 60s. 15. Procure, verb.
पाना, हासिल करना, पूरा करना, बहम पहुंचाना.
Obtain something, especially with care or effort. Example, food procured for the rebels. 16. Captive, noun.
जंगी कैदी, हवालाती.
A person who has been taken prisoner or an animal that has been confined. Example, the captives were freed after the kidnappers told them a ransom had been paid.
17. फ्रोट, भरा हुआ.
Situation or course of action filled with something undesirable. 18. Trivial, adjective.
मामूली, हकीर, अदिन.
Of little value or importance. Example, huge fines were imposed for trivial offenses. 19. Ambitious, adjective.
बुलंद हौसला, हौसलामंद, ख्वाहिशमंद, मुश्ताक,
having or showing a strong desire and determination to succeed. Example, a ruthlessly ambitious workaholic. 20 devastation, noun.
तबाही, वीरानी,
Great destruction or damage. Example, the floods caused widespread devastation. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.